Hey, happy July 1st from the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. I'm here with your Thursday astrological forecast. Let's get started by becoming balanced and aligned and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We visualize all the negativity, all the darkness flowing right out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light. This white light not only fills our bodies, but goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. See this white light forming this beautiful bubble around us, and this bubble deflects all evil, low vibration, and negativity right back to where it came from. While we're in this space of white light, connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Cancer affirmation. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. We're going to say it together. We're going to stay in this space of white light for 5 seconds. Let's do it. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. I feel better already. Oh man, you guys. Oh, first of all, I want to say to our Canadian friends, happy Canada Day. Have a wonderful day in celebrating with your family and friends. Okay, guys, how is the emotional roller coaster going for us? Oh my goodness. I ran smack into Mars in Leo opposing Saturn in Aquarius yesterday. I gotta tell you guys this story. I didn't realize it at first, but since we talk about energy and recognizing energy and making conscious decisions with that information, I figured out where I was and I could make a decision. So I was in a discussion, so I thought, and I made an astrological statement. The response that I got was, "You are wrong. You are spreading misinformation. You need to go look here. You need to go look there. And that's it." And I was like, what? I mean, I've been studying for like over 25 years. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm talking about. I'm pretty confident. And then, so I made another statement to that person, and it was at that point the penny dropped, and I realized where I was. I was up right against somebody holding on to their shit. And I was giving them some information that they were not aware of. And not only weren't they aware of it, they weren't willing to even discuss it or entertain it. So at that point, I remember, this is so clear. At that point, I had the choice. I could stay in the discussion, I could defend my position, or I could walk away. And I quickly took a step back, looked at the situation. I realized this person made a decision immediately, was never interested in discussing where I was coming from. So The right choice here is to walk away. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. We know what energy that we're working on. It could have gotten really ugly. And sometimes we may choose to go down that dark path, and then we have to scrape ourselves off the pavement in the end. So we still have that energy today. So we're still going to have a lot of folks out there not willing to entertain any new ideas, any different ideas than what they already believe. So remember that. Also, we are on, another thing, you guys, this emotional roller coaster, especially if we have a lot of water in our charts, our natal charts, so emotional. I'm one of those people. I'm going to tell you what, is anyone else on this emotional roller coaster? Up and down, up and down. It just keeps going up and down. And the good news is I know what it is. So all we've got to do is just keep on. What does Nora say Nora say in Finding Nemo? Keep on swimming. That's what we have to do. Just keep on swimming through this. We will make it as long as we are conscious of what's going on around us, and we can be objective about it, see the big picture. We should be okay. We still have the moon in Aries, so the energy is very combative, aggressive, very impulsive, and it's very scattered too, and it can be stressful. So watch out for that, and that's kind of feeding this emotional fire for these people who are just ready to tear our throats out. So watch out for that. There is some lovely moon energy though. Even though the moon is in Aries, it is a great time to start new habits, good healthy habits, start new projects. It's also because the moon in Aries is trine Venus in Leo and Mars in Leo. It's a wonderful time to communicate with our partner, our lover, our spouse. Let them know how much we appreciate their support and how much they mean to us. It's really important that we remember to acknowledge and appreciate our partner, especially with this Leo energy. The negative side of the Leo energy is if we don't receive that appreciation or acknowledgement that we think we deserve, we're going to default into that emotional garbage pail in our closet that we haven't cleaned up yet, and come from some emotional default that's most likely inappropriate to deal with the current situation. Okay, let's see what our guides, what the universe would like to add for the advice on this Thursday, July 1st. Can you believe it's July already? And we've got, in the United States, we'll be celebrating our July 4th weekend coming up. Lots of friends and family. Just like you guys today. All right. Blessed. Yang. Soulmates. We saw this card earlier this week. Spirit wants to remind us, when we're in this emotional roller coaster, all we need to do is remember our blessings and be grateful. It's like a magic potion. Immediately our energy begins to rise, to elevate. So if we are feeling caught on the roller coaster, if we're about ready to throw up, then we just remember to be grateful and take those 3 deep cleansing breaths and be grateful and remember the blessings all around us. It's a time for us to be active. It's time to act. We've got the moon in Aries. It's time to start that new diet, let's say new healthy lifestyle. Let's put it that way. And time to be accountable for our physical selves, our emotional selves, and our spiritual selves. It's time to take action and start working actively on doing those things. And then earlier in the week, we saw our soulmate. Our soulmate is our partner, our spouse, our lover, that person that seems to complement us perfectly. It's that person that when we are with them, it feels like we've come home. It's such an amazing feeling, isn't it? So, soulmates, let's remember to express our love to our soulmates and let them know how much we appreciate them. This could also mean that some of us our soulmate may be showing up. So be ready. Have your heart come from your heart. Feel the light and be ready to receive. Wow, that is cool stuff. Have a great Thursday. Remember, when all this emotional volatility, remember to be kind. We are all experiencing this energy out there. Some, depending on our natal chart, some of us are handling it a little bit better than others. So let's be compassionate with each other and let's be kind. Remember to come see me at Facebook. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for some daily inspirational messages. And if you haven't gotten a chance to look at my July astrological forecast, check that out. And remember this, the keynote of the station: life is lived from the inside out. Happy July 1st. Remember to be kind. Namaste.